Won't listen cause he be capping. Got them like what done happened. Think it's the way that I'm snapping. Told him no face, no case, no caption. I'm a grown man, ain't no schooling me. I don't even think they as cool as me for that fake shit cause it's foolery. Might be new to y'all but ain't new to me. I'm just stacking cheese so I can take a trip overseas. Ain't got time for no wannabes. I'm too busy working who I'm gonna be. Free smoke, yeah, free smoke for anyone who wanna be. I'm too elite and FGE. I'ma rap that to the death of me. We hard body like Debo. Come take shit like Repo. Got smoke for sale and free. Hold that nigga better act like he know. Stacking chips like Pringle, dressing all white like Chico. They like, why is y'all so deep for him? Like that's just how we roll. On my grind like all the time. Little wish I signed that dotted line. Just all red like the stop signs. But all I see is them dollar signs. Told me she loved me, but what it is ain't what it be. Rock Louis V and double G. That's gangsta gangsta. I'm a double G. Can't be nobody else, so I gotta be myself. There's a lot of y'all, and there's only one of me. Got yayo like Chi-Chi, like Johnson. You can't see me. I'm coming at you in 3D while I smoke air like Chief Keef. Want a bad bitch like Riri. I think her name was Mimi. My ex bitch named Kiki. One day I'm on that TV. Wait till I drop my CD. Got that bitch on repeat. Shorty gave me some space like 3 feet. I'm dream chasing just like me. These niggas sweeter than iced tea. Them choppers ain't like CC. If you push them buttons like DD. But I'm smoking back. And I'm smoking tree cheat. This rap shit too easy. Believe me, told y'all like a million times. I know somebody gon' feel me. Told y'all I can't fake shit, cause nigga this the real me. Told y'all I can't fake shit, cause nigga it's the real me. Told y'all I can't fake shit, cause nigga it's the real me. On God. Oh God. Every time I say this shit, oh God. ETA, all that shit. Shout out YNHMG. It's YNHMG, all that good shit, you know what I'm saying? Let's get Also finesse the mixtape on the motherfucking way, man. I ain't gonna say that shit too many times, man. They already know I'm coming, man. I'm turned up for real, for real. Them motherfuckers know I do this, and I do this cause I'ma do this. They can't stop me. Ain't nobody gonna stop me.